Hi, welcome to Robinson channel. This video will be in English as my son is not here and my Russian is not so good as the English, so therefore I will take the liberty to present this to you. This is Autotime. It's a brand that is very popular of toys in Russia. We were searching a lot in Europe for this. This is 132. I was saying that this brand is very popular in Russia for presenting Russian models of cars like Lada, Zhiguli, Volga and Gaz and others. So I was saying that I was looking for this brand a lot. We found it in a supermarket in Bulgaria. This time we found some supercars that is on a special edition collection. It's called Imperial Black, as you can see. It's high quality replicas, as they say now on the back. You can read it here. It's unique replicas of cars of performance, and it's exclusive in black color with high details, detailed interior and outside. And I like very much this brand, and this time I will present the new Camaro and also the Camaro SS 1969. It's a legendary car for muscle cars and for sports fans. We will start by opening the new model. Looks really good. Glossy black. Car looks amazing, exactly like in reality. Doors open, only doors open, but interior looks good. Nice made. Wheels black, everything is in black, so that's why it's Imperial Black Edition. Toys brand, it's according to the box made in Finland. It is written in Russian because it's very popular in Russia. You can find a lot of vehicles there and a lot of shops selling this brand. But as you can see, like everything else in this world is made in China. So this is a Camaro 2010, legendary car because of the movie Transformers. Beautiful car, powerful car. Let's look a little bit at it. My son is here already. Привет. Привет, Робби.
Вы на канале Робинзон, и мы сегодня смотрим Camaro новый и старый.
Да, будем сравнивать Camaro.
Да.
It's a new brand that we found and it's Russian. We looked a lot for this. We knew it from Moscow. and it's quite beautiful brand of toys.
Новый бренд у нас сегодня. Автотайм, который производится в России.
Да.
Мы знали о нем еще, когда были в Москве.
Да.
И вот сейчас мы нашли две одинаковые машины. Camaro новый и Camaro старый.
This is the other model of car that I will present, also for the same, from the same producer, Autotime. It's also Imperial Black Edition, so it's an exclusive edition. It's 1/32 scale. Here you can see the whole collection of on this Imperial Black. It's Camaro SS 1969. Let's see it. Beautiful car. Details are very, very good. Car is really well done. I like the paint on it, the paint work. Also the details. Let's open the doors to see a little bit inside. Good quality of replica toy car. Try to search more for our collection this brand of cars.
Почитаем, что
Я
написано.
не знаю, почему на коллекции нет такого
Наверное,
старого.
старые из другой коллекции. Давай
Да.
почитаем, что написано.
Может
Серия
быть, это-
Imperial Black Edition. Великолепные уникальные автомобили в эксклюзивном матово-черном исполнении. Высоко деталированные лицензионные модели с множеством отдельных проработанных деталей и с большим количеством различных дополнительно прокрашенных элементов. Модели выполнены с открывающимися передними дверями и оснащены инерционным механизмом. Вот он какой Camaro.
Тышка. А смотрите, зад какой.
Сзади.
It's very famous
Агрессивный.
car due to the movie Transformers, where it was
Ух ты, был,
used.
это такой же был в Трансформерах.
Трансформеров
Да,
снимали эту машину, модель.
What
Только
robot
был
was there?
желтый.
What
Какой
robot?
робот?
Бамблби.
Okay.
Bumblebee.
And the
Да.
car was yellow, yeah?
Какого
Да.
цвета была машина?
Желтая.
Желтая.
Car is very popular as a muscle car. It's a fifth generation of Chevrolet Camaro.
Пятое поколение Chevrolet Camaro.
And this black concept
Смотрите,
car,
как-
it's
смо-
based on LED.
Смотрите, какой у меня водный мотор.
Фары LED.
And black wheels, black rims.
Смотри, какой матово-черный, черные колеса, она вся
давай
такая черная.
покажем внутри как.
And
Какой.
черная.
paint is glossy black.
Давайте посмотрим, как внутри.
Матово-чёрная.
Какой салон там.
Car is manufactured in Ontario, Canada.
В Канаде делаются
Смотрите,
машины.
какой вот там внутри салон. Какой
Сейчас
клёвый.
дойдем и до салона, посмотрим, какой клевый салон внутри.
And the engine, there are several versions of engine from 3.6 liters to 7 liters. V8 engine.
Ух ты, восьмицилиндровый. От 3,5 литров и до 6 или 7? До 7 литров.
Я пошел покататься.
Большой мотор.
The big engine
Мощная машина.
reaches 426
Я пришел.
horsepower.
420 лошадиных сил у
Мам,
7-литрового
смотри, он
двигателя.
пришел на парковку.
And it's only made with manual gearbox.
А мы сейчас открываем, так, этого сдвину. И теперь мы открываем старый Камаро.
Давай посмотрим старый Камаро.
1969 Camaro SS. So we were saying about 1969 Camaro SS is the biggest engine, 6.5 liters V8,
Камаро СС 6,5 литров.
396 horsepower,
397 лошадиных сил в 69 год. Супер, я вижу
Интересно.
каждую детальку.
Very good. Can you turn it on the other side? More here.
Очень красивая сборка. Колеса обалденные.
Если вам нравится Камаро, ставь лайк и смотри новые видео. Подписывайся на канал Робинзон. Пока-пока!
Пока-пока.